Hi all, welcome to Machine Coding Interview. I am Sanjay and in this course we will discuss the requirements of multiplayer bowling alley. So what is this multiplayer bowling alley game? So bowling is an indoor game where players roll down a ball to a lane to knock down the 10 pins which are arranged in a triangle. A game has 10 frames, each with 2 rolls. A strike is knocking all the pins in one roll and a spare takes 2. The top score is 300, which is achieved by 12 strikes in a row. So now let's see the requirements of this game. So the general rules are: game consists of 10 frames for each player. In each frame, a player has two chances to knock down 10 pins, except in the 10th frame, which may allow additional rolls. If a player knocks down all 10 pins in the first roll, it is a strike and the frame ends immediately. If the player knocks down all 10 pins in 2 rolls, it is a spare. Players take turns frame by frame in a multiplayer games. So what are the scoring rules? Each pin knocked down is worth 1 point. For strike, the score is 10 plus next 2 rolls. Means if next 2 rolls are 4 and 3, then the strike frame score will be 10 for the current frame and plus 4 and 3 for the next roll values. So the total for that frame is 17. If it is a spare, then the score will be 10 plus next roll, 10 for the current frame and the next roll point. So example is, if the next roll is 6, then the spare frame score will be 10 plus 6, which is equal to 16. Open frame, which is neither strike nor spare. So score equal to total pins knocked down in 2 rolls. There is a special rule for the 10th frame. So if the 10th frame ends with a strike or spare, the player gets bonus rolls. So the player gets 2 bonus rolls if it is a strike and 1 bonus roll if it is a spare. A maximum of 3 rolls is allowed in the 10th frame. The score from bonus rolls is added only to the 10th frame. So that's it from the requirements of a bowling game. Thank you.